Hi guys, good to see you again. My name is Girolamo Aloe and today I am the Shark Investor. And the topic that I want to discuss today is something that is not really common and that people never talk about this. I want to talk today about the blockhouse. So, when you have large investors, big investors, institutional investors, so on like this, they want to open trades. They want just to set orders in the market. They just open block orders, set block orders for a large amount of securities. This can cause a lot of problems. This can become some manipulation of the market behavior because large investors they want to buy a stock at a certain price, put in the market a lot of money, and then taking a large amount of securities can cause in the market a very visible manipulation and let's spike the price a lot. The price can go up consistently much more than what you can expect, and this is something that happens many times, especially on low capitalized stocks and of course on penny stocks, stocks low priced and of course with a very low capital. This happens many times, but this is something that is managed. So when the large investor want to set block orders that take a very large amount of securities, they just use a blockhouse. The blockhouse have a main role in this job. The blockhouse is a particular brokerage firm. This blockhouse take this big order, this block order, and split this order in several smaller tranches. So this tranche can be used in different brokers. So the blockhouse just open orders on different brokers. These different brokers just execute the trade later, and you have to consider that splitting the block orders just give a way to manage this large volatility that is induced in the market. So the market just can move in a gradual way. So the securities are taken gradually. And this gradual taking of the securities, this gradual accumulation of securities, just make move the price in a better way, not with a visible manipulation, not with a very large spike up, and not moving the price over a certain price level. This is the importance of a brokerage firm that is a blockhouse. Big investors, institutional investors, just use the blockhouse that can be also inside their company. They are brokerage firm, of course. They have the service of a blockhouse. They can put order in the market, and the same way they can split the taking of the securities. And this is a very important thing. I told this because the volatility in the market is just managed, and the taking of the securities becomes gradual by the splitting of the large amount of securities that the large interest want to take in the market, just by different brokers, dividing this in small parts that are executed later on different brokers and on different moments. So this is the role of the blockhouse. Blockhouse is concretely a fundamental resource for the market, and this is a fundamental resource for the investors, big investors, and this is something that makes the investment safe. The market becomes manageable. If not, without a blockhouse, without this way to manage the securities, the market will be extremely volatility, and just a changing of a lot of percentage in the price change in a day. This is something that cannot be managed by every investors, and this is something that causes a lot of problems and a lot of risks. So the blockhouse manage all these problems, and this is particularly important. So guys, I want to see your opinion, I want to see your question, just adding a comment here. Please click on subscribe and like this video and share it around. Thank you guys, to listen to my words, and see you next time. Bye bye.